All right. Hi, everybody. This is lesson 12. We are working on it on Wednesday, September 23rd. Okay? Wednesday, September 23rd. The last thing we went over was Diagraph CK and how it makes that k sound, how we have to underline, how we code it. We underline the diagraph. We cross out the C because it's a silent letter, right? Okay. Today, we're going to be learning Diagraph TH. We're going to be learning something new. I'm going to use your name to help teach something to the class. Today, tell me your first and last name. So, let's start with, let me go to the class list real fast. All right, let's start with Leah. Leah, what is the first name of your name? Oh, very good. Names are special because we use special types of letters. We call them capital letters, right? So for Leah, we would write it with a capital L. Very good. How about, how about the last name? Do we start the last name with a capital letter? Yes, we do. So the first letter of the first name and the last letter of the last name needs to be capital. So when Leah writes her name, the L in Leah would be capital, right? And the A in El Khalil would be capital. Very good. All right. How about in Michael's name, Michael Kanaka? Your M in Michael would be capital and Kanaka would be capital C. Destin, your D would be capital and Cardenius, your C will be capital. Jacob, your J would be capital and C in Cardenius would be capital. Dominic, Gabby, Gabriella, Jasmine, your D, G, and J will all be capital and your first name Escobar, Gonzalez, and Gonzalez would E, capital G, capital G. Okay? Jacob Haney, same for you. Rena, your R is capital. Christian, your C is capital. Amariah, your A is capital. Amaria, your A is capital. Okay? All right. Let's keep going. We put a dot or a period after the letter to show that it is an abbreviation for a name. So if we are talking about Jacob Haney, we will put the J and then we're going to put a dot and then H, and that's abbreviated for Jacob Haney, right? Let's see. These are called initials. So for Jacob Haney, it would say J dot H dot, and that's abbreviated for Jacob Haney. That's what those are called, initials. So when everybody says, okay, sign your initials here, what they mean is you're going to sign the first letter of your first name and the last letter of your last name. My first name is Noor and my last name is Yusuf. So my initial would be N dot Y, and then I would put another dot, right? What would yours be? Okay. All right. Good. That's just a little something we needed to learn today. Let's go ahead and practice our letter cards, picture cards, and sight word cards. Letter cards. Go ahead and say them out loud, okay? Remember this one? This is Diagraph CK. What is it? Diagraph CK. When you say it, you don't say CK, you say Diagraph CK. Okay. I wanted to see if you would remember that. Here are our picture cards. Apple, A. Acorn, A. You have to echo them after me, okay? Elephant, eh. Make sure you're looking at the card. Equal, e. Inch, eh. Icicle, I. Octopus, ah. Overalls, o. Umbrella, Unicorn, u. Balloon, b. Cat, k. Dog, d. Fish, f. Goat, g. Hat, h. Jar, j. Kite, k. Lion, o. Monkey, m. Nest, n. Pig, p. Rabbit, Sun, s. Tent, t. Vest, v. Wagon, w. Yarn, y. Zebra, z. Fox, x. Duck, k. This is the new one, Diagraph CK. See how we code it? We underline it and we cross out the silent C. Very good. All right. Okay, here's our sight word cards. You ready? You're going to read them fast. Very good. Good job. All right, go ahead and take out your spelling and high frequency word practice paper number 12. It looks like this. Okay, we are going to quickly review the spelling cards 1 through 29. I will say the sounds and you will practice writing down the letters that make that sounds with the right codings, okay? All right, so here we go. Number 1. Apple, ah. Number 2, elephant, eh. Number 3, inch, eh. Number 4, octopus, ah. Number 5, umbrella, Number 6, acorn. Number 7, equal. Number 8, icicle. Number 9, overalls. Number 10, unicorn. Number 11, balloon. So far your paper should look like this. If you need more time writing that down, you can pause the video now. Okay. Number 12, dog. Number 13, fish. Number 14, goat. Number 15, hat. Number 16, jar. Number 17, lion. Number 18, kite, cat, duck. So 3 things are going to go on that line. Kite, cat, duck. Okay, that's going to look like this. K, C, CK. Okay, you have to code this back on the C and underline the CK. 19, monkey. 20, nest. 21, pig. 22, rabbit. 23, sun. 24, tent. 25, vest. 26, wagon. 27, yarn. 28, zebra. 29, fox. Very good. Leave 30 and 31 blank for now. All right. Now, looking at the back of our paper. So let's go ahead and turn our paper to the back. It should look like this. It should say spelling high frequency word practice 12, review words. Now we're looking at review word number 1. Okay? So on number 1, I want you to write this word for me. Write the word black. Bull, There's a diagraph in the beginning of the word black. It's bull. Diagraph is 2 letters coming together to make one sound. So how do we spell black? B-L-A-C-K. Excellent job. Number 2, I want you to write the word clock. How do we spell it? C-L-O-C-K. Very good. Number 3, I want you to write the word trick. T-R-I-C-K. Excellent job. Trick. Number 4, 5, and 6, we are going to practice some of our sight words. Next to number 4, I want you to write the word two. Two. How do we spell it? T-O. Good job. Then I need you to write the number 8. E-I-G-H-T. Number 6, write the word for. F-O-U-R. Very good. This is how your paper should look. All right. I think I kind of went fast here and I forgot to show you the paper, so that's how that looks. If you need to pause it, you can pause it. Okay. 30 and 31 are blank. The new words, leave them blank. We are going to fill that in later. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's look at these words. I want you to echo these words for me. Listen to the words and echo them. Echo them, please. Then, there, those. Very good. Let's write them down. We have, I'm sorry, what do we hear in the initial sound of these words, in the beginning sound? We hear the sound z, right? Very good. Let's look at these words. Can you tell me what is making the z sound in these words? We have than, we have than, them, this. What 2 letters are coming together to make that z sound? T and H. Very good. T and H. What do we call the letters that make one sound? This is called a diagraph. Very good. These are the letters T, H, and they are a diagraph. Echo these words for me and listen to the sound in the ending or the final position. Okay? Math, moth, path. I need you to say them. Say math, moth, path. Very good. That's how these words look. Let's look in the final position. What letters do we see in the final position? We see T and H. Very good. T and H. That's right. The TH makes the sound and also makes the sound TH makes the sound and it also makes the sound Ooh, that tickles my lips. The difference between these sounds is the one is voiced and the other one is unvoiced. Let me show you. Put your hand on your throat and say this sound. Say like think. Put your hand on your throat. Say think. Very good. Do you voice sounds make your vocal cords vibrate or move? This sound is not voiced because it did not make our vocal cords vibrate or move. You did not feel your vocal cords in your throat move. Did you? Let's try it again. Think. Did you feel your vocal cords moving or vibrating? No, we did not. Let's try the voiced sound of TH. Put your hand on your throat again, and now I want you to say then. Then. Do you feel that? You feel your throat vibrating? Very good. That means that is a voiced TH. So we have voiced and unvoiced. You can feel your throat move. It is not always easy to tell whether the letters TH will make a voiced sound or unvoiced sound, but usually if the letters are in the middle of a word, they will make a voiced sound. And if they are at the end of a word, they will make an unvoiced sound. If the letters are at the beginning of a word, they can make either sound. However, you should try the voiced sound first because more words have the voiced sound. If the word doesn't sound right, try the unvoiced sound. Okay? And how do we code diagraphs again? We underline them. Very good. We underline them. So let's look at our diagraphs we wrote here. We have than, them, this. Are those voiced or unvoiced? Those are voiced. Very good. So we are going to underline them. Okay? And then let's look at the other words. We have math, moth, path. What two letters make that sound? T and H. Underline those. Very good. Is TH a vowel digraph or a consonant digraph? Is T and H vowels or are they consonants? They're consonants. It's a consonant digraph. Very good. Because they are made up of consonants. So, how do we code the vowels in these words if the letter right after it is a consonant? We code the vowels with a breve. Good job, because it is short. Because they are followed by consonants, it's short. So, we have math, it's a short vowel, so breve, right? Moth, short vowel, breve. Path, short vowel, breve. Than, short vowel, breve. Them, short vowel, breve. This, short vowel, breve. Okay, very good. Who can read this word for me? What is this word? Math. Very good. Math. Can anyone tell me what the word math means? Math, like our mathematics, right? Our math work. Adding and subtracting numbers, right? Finding out the patterns in numbers. That's math. Very good. All right. So whenever we see this card, we will start saying Diagraph TH. What will you say? Diagraph TH. Excellent job. All right, so we have this is our new letter card. We're going to put it with our letter card pile. Okay, and now we have a new picture card. I have a keyword for you. Our new letter card is going to be picture card is going to be the picture feather. So whenever I say feather, I'm going to say feather, th. What will you say? Feather, th. Look at the line that's in between the T and the H. This means that this TH is voiced. What did I say voiced means again? Feather, th. Did your voice vibrate? If your throat vibrated, then th is voiced. If the TH is voiced, we code it by putting a line through it, right? You put a line through it. That means it's coded. So feather, th. Very good. All right. We're going to add this with our new picture cards. And then let's look at this one. We have another one. This is called wrong card. This is called a thimble. Thimble. Okay? We use this when we sew. When you're sewing, sometimes you put it in your finger so you don't prick yourself with the needle. So this is called thimble. So whenever we see this word, we're going to say thimble, thimble. Very good. All right, put your hand in your throat. Say thimble. Did you feel your throat vibrate? Thimble. No, I didn't feel my throat vibrate. It did not vibrate. So thimble is unvoiced. If it's unvoiced, you just underline it. We do not cross it out. We only cross out the diagraph TH if it's voiced. We put a line through it. But this is unvoiced, so this is just a diagraph. So remember, how do we code diagraphs? We underline them. So thimble, very good. Now, next to line number 29. Next to line 30. Remember how we left, remember how we left number 30 and 31 blank? We are going to fill it in now. So go ahead and take that paper back out. On number 30, I want you to write I'm sorry, number 30, I want you to write thimble, thimble. Do we draw a line through it? No. Do we underline it? Yes, it's a diagraph, so it's going to look like this. Thimble. On number 31, I want you to write feather, feather. How does that look? It looks like this. TH, and then we put a line through it because it's voiced, and then we underlined it because it's a diagraph. Very good. Feather, thimble. Remember that, okay? Tomorrow when we do these again, I will call those words out because I have added them onto my word cards for the spelling sounds, okay? All right. All right, so now go back to the back of this page where we left those new words blank. And now we're going to practice writing new words using the diagraph TH sounds we just learned. Okay, so next to number 7, I want you to write the word that. That. All right, guys, how do we spell that? T-H-A-T. Very good. That. Is that voiced? It is voiced. But we're not coding it, so that's okay. Number 8, then. Then. How do we spell then? T-H-E-N. Should look like this. Number 9, I want you to write the word bath. Bath. How do we spell that? B-A-T-H. Should look like this. Bath. Excellent job. All right, so now let's review. Okay, oh, I'm sorry, and on these words, these are practicing some of your spelling words and sight words. So you're just going to read them, you're going to write them once next to it, and you're done. Okay? All right, so now put this aside. You're going to do, for today's assignment, you're going to do worksheet 12 and homework 12 by yourself, and you're going to turn that into Google Classroom, okay? All right, so for now, we can put that aside. Put it here. All right. How do we code a vowel? Now let's do some practicing, okay? So how do we code a vowel that is followed by a consonant? We said a vowel followed by a consonant is coded with a breathe because it is a short vowel sound, right? How do we code an open accented vowel? We code an open accented vowel with a macron because it's long, right? What do we do to a word that has 2 vowel sounds? You find the vowels, look between them for consonants, and then divide the word and code it. So those are the VCCV, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowels. Okay, and you put the division line between the 2 consonants. Very good. All right, let's see. What is a diagraph? A diagraph is when 2 letters come together to make one sound. That is called a diagraph. Very good. How do we code diagraphs? We code diagraphs by underlining them. We underline diagraphs. Let's code some words like the ones you'll have on your worksheet today. So we're going to do some practice before I let you go to do it on your worksheet by yourself. So I would pay attention because a lot of these words are coded almost the same way that you're going to have on your worksheet today. So we have these 3 words. We have the word math, brick, insect. Say math, brick, insect. Very good. All right. Now let's look at the word math. Do we have a diagraph? Yes. What's our diagraph? TH. Very good. How do we code the diagraph TH? By underlining it. Now put your hand on your throat. Math. Do you feel your throat vibrate? Math. No. So is it voiced? No. Do I need to draw a line through it? No, because it's not voiced. How about the A here? How do we code this A? We put a breve on it. Very good. You put a breve over the A. What's the word, class? Math. Is there any other coding we have to do for this word? We are done. That's it. All right, let's look at the next one. We have the word brick. Brick. Where's the diagraph in brick? We have diagraph CK. Very good. Diagraph CK. And remember, how do we code diagraph CK and K? Do you hear the C? No, we do not. So what can we do with the C? We can cross it out. Now, what about the vowel I? Vowel I is followed by the consonant C, so we code it with a breathe. Very good. Is there any other coding for this word that we're missing? Nope, that's it. All right, let's read the word together. What is it? Brick. Very good. Let's do the next word. This word, look at it closely, insect. Is it a VCCV? Is there a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel? There sure is. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. You write the division line between the two consonants. Are there any vowels here that need to be coded? Yes, we have the vowel I and the vowel E that both need to be coded with a breathe because they're short vowel sounds. Am I done? Nope. What else do I need to do? The C needs a back to it. Insect. Insect. And which is stronger, the in or sect? In is stronger, so the accent mark goes right before the division line. Insect. Everyone say insect. Very good. All right, let's move on. All right. So you're going to code the words and you're going to code the words on the front and back, and you're going to turn those into me. Before I, sorry, I'm just making sure I didn't miss anything. My work area is filled with paper. All right. Okay, I think that's it. So for the worksheet, you're going to go ahead and complete worksheet 12, and then you're going to do the back homework 12, which looks like this. And you're going to turn them in. Okay, before I let you go, let's read the words together. We have the word thick, with, path, rock, the, mascot. And then we have a picture. This is a picture of the path. Look at the path they're going. And this is a picture of a rock. Okay? Looking at the back, let's read the words. Cloth, pack, van, the, hectic, that. Hectic means like crazy. Like, oh my gosh, my morning was hectic. It was crazy. It was filled with a lot of events. Cloth, this is a picture of cloth. And pack, this is a picture of her packing her bag. Pack. Okay? All right, guys, go ahead and code both of those. Turn those into me today. You do not work on practice on worksheet 13 today. That's for tomorrow, okay? If you have any questions, let me know. Have fun learning. Bye.